Hello everyone, I am General Ajay Pal Singh, founder of Ayaansh Leadership Academy. At Hoshiar Singh GTO ground, we have laid out group task obstacles and also individual obstacles as you will find in actual service selection board centers when you go for your interviews for 5 days. Here at GTO ground, we train our students in leadership qualities, problem solving, social bonding, attempting and methods of clearing individual obstacles under supervision, and most importantly, the teamwork. The students, after training and practicing at GTO ground, become very confident. They become independent and take decisions in problem solving. Their leadership qualities are sharpened. They attain higher degree of physical fitness, social bonding, and most important is the sense of teamwork and team spirit. When our students train at GTO ground in various activities, be it group tasks or individual obstacles, they become SSB ready and NDA ready in the future. Thank you.
Commando!